All right, let's get over to Gene right now. A warm day today, Gene.
That's right. In fact, we broke a record today, believe it or not, in the middle of January. Not expecting to break high temperature records, but we did. The high today, 81. That breaks the old record set back in 1999. Normally, we should be in the 60s, and we weren't the only ones in the state of Texas that had records today. 85 down in Corpus Christi. That's a record. Same for Midland. It was pretty warm, mostly because of southerly winds out ahead of a front. Now, that front will cool us off a little bit tomorrow, but it's not going to bring us a whole lot of rain. You see the clouds still streaming in back from the south and west. Also still pretty breezy out there. We're going to be looking at the clouds for most of the overnight hours, along with that fog we mentioned earlier on our Super Microcast computer model, taking you hour by hour into tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. There could be a couple of spotty showers, and you do see a lot of the white here, the cloudy picture, as well as the fog down along the coast. Now, I think the fog will hang around and the low clouds will hang around south of I-10, but there will be some peaks of sunshine, especially north and west. Places like Conroe, even up by Tomball, maybe even out toward Katy, could see a decent amount of sunshine tomorrow. But for most everybody else south of I-10, it will be a partly to mostly cloudy day on your Saturday. Then heading into Sunday, we're going to start out with those low clouds and the fog. Once again, this is a familiar pattern. 6 a.m. Sunday morning, we've got the fog and the low clouds down here. And during the afternoon, we'll be watching a second front that will start to move our way. That front could touch off an isolated shower by the time we get to the afternoon on Sunday, but don't look for a whole lot of rain, so it shouldn't disturb any of your big outdoor plans. Right now, it's still pretty mild outside, breezy as well. Temperatures in the low 70s to upper 60s on our exclusive HD WeatherBug network. 71 in the Cloverleaf neighborhood, 72 over in the Galleria. A wider view across southeast Texas shows it is a little bit cooler up in Livingston, where it's 69. They have mainly cloudy skies there. Same for Liberty. Over in Sugar Land, it's 70 degrees. And here at the KHOU studios, we have mostly cloudy skies, 70 degrees, and it's still pretty breezy out there, even though the winds aren't that high right now. We have seen gusts in the past hour or so, and very muggy outside. The humidity is high, up to 86%. Now, by morning, with that front moving through, we'll see temperatures get a little bit cooler north of town. College Station should drop into the low to mid 50s, but everybody else will be in the 60s. The front will actually move through after sunrise, so north of town, we may see some cooler temperatures in the afternoon, but here in town, not too bad. 64 to start with that fog, 68 by noon, and then by the time you maybe head out and do some things outside, we should have partly cloudy skies and a high of 73. It will be a little bit cooler if you live in Conroe tomorrow, 66 there, 68 for Livingston. But again, south of I-10, mainly we'll see temperatures in the low 70s. So the next day's weather on a scale of 1 to 10, I call it the Norman number. And for tomorrow, it's at an 8. Don't forget you can follow the Norman number by becoming a fan of my Facebook page or on Twitter.com. And the 7-day forecast, well, it shows a pretty decent rest of the weekend. On Sunday, we should see temperatures climb into the upper 70s. Monday, a little bit cooler, high of 68. And then Tuesday and Wednesday, rain returns. In fact, we could have some thunderstorms with some decent downpours by the time we get to the middle of next week. Not 81 for tomorrow, but still a pretty nice day after we can get rid of those morning clouds.
Can we save a few of these for August?
Wouldn't that be great?
Yeah, right.
But you want 81 in August?
Well, that would be nice, as opposed to 101.
That's right.
That's true. Thanks, Gene.
All right.
All right, the season may be over.